So today I got extremely late. So by the way, I've got my coffee on the go. Today this mug, it contains 3 espresso shots. Literally that much coffee. Somebody came. So yeah, today I got extremely late. Normally I leave hostel at around 8:30 and today I left my room at around 8:31. Then I went downstairs, filled my lunch box, got my lunch. Today it's dokla and got this cup of coffee. So today we have OPD. There are already around 50 patients. It's literally just 9:03 and it is already 50 patients. Let's see how many patients we get. And for the breakfast I had coffee, and I had just a bar of chocolate, a small bar, like 2 pieces of chocolate, and I've got another chocolate because I get really hungry during the OPD. OPD lasts till 1 o'clock, so I can't stay hungry till 1 o'clock. Till 11 o'clock it's fine, but then I get very hungry. I don't know where the other kitten went, but yeah. I made a kitten. I'll insert the photo somewhere around here. Kitten keychain. And today I also have some bank work, so I'll be leaving the hospital at around 4 o'clock to complete that. And that's it. Let's see how the day goes. Hello beautiful people. So it is 2 p.m. currently, and most of the patients that we had today, they were mainly having diabetes, BP, some were also of paralysis, some were of schizophrenia and also depressive disorders. Total we had around 160 patients between 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. and from 1 to 2 we have break, and now again from 2 to 5 we'll be seeing patients again. There are around 30 patients already waiting outside. And yeah, that is it. It was a really busy day because some of the consultants, they have gone light is gone. Okay, so some of the consultants, they have gone for camps outside in villages, etc. And yeah, that is it. I had my lunch and I did some of my work from home stuff, and now I'll just continue doing my work from home stuff until the consultants arrive or the other residents arrive. Also, one more thing, there were so many medication incidents today. An entire prescription was prescribed in the wrong patient for in one incident. In other incident, amlodipine was prescribed thrice, so there was medication duplication, like metoprolol plus amlodipine, telmisartan plus amlodipine, and again only amlodipine, like that it was given. That is without any combination. What do we say? I forgot the term. Monotherapy. Yeah, so repetition was there, and in another patient, I think, yeah, metformin entry wasn't done. Yeah, no, the patient actually came for acidity, and instead of giving pantoprazole, etc., they were given only with. Hi guys, so I am done for the day and it is already 4 p.m. So now I'm leaving the hospital for my minute work at the bank. Hello beautiful people. So I've reached hostel and the bank work wasn't done because apparently the Union Bank closes at 4 o'clock. I was of the notion that it closes at 5, but it closes at 4, so that work wasn't done. Right now I am just completing my journal, and I'll also do some more of the work from home. Hello beautiful people. So I think the last time that I vlogged was day before yesterday, and when I came back to hostel, I did tell you guys that I'll just be completing my journal and some other work from home that had been unloaded at me. And seriously, the day went by so fast, and I was literally just neck deep down into the work stuff, so I could not vlog much. Even right now I'm just going to be completing my journal. The thing is that we have to complete the journal by 21st of April, so that gives us to write 3 cases per day, which is a lot to write because per case there are 6 pages that we have to write. So yeah, that is it. A lot of journal work and also the work from home that I do. In that also extra work has been given to me. So I'm just literally just burdened up till here with work. That was the only reason that I couldn't vlog. But one thing that I surely wanted to do with you guys is that I just posted this reel, by the way, of attaching this cutie pie. You can order this from Lilac Loops on Instagram. The link will be somewhere here. Or it's so hot outside. Or you can even find it on my website. By the way, guys, your response on my website has literally been so good. I screenshotted a lot of your responses and I shared them on my Instagram, and it just literally made my day. Wait, I'll share with you all the responses that I got. But let's change this one. If you haven't checked out my website, go do it right now. I'll put the link in the comment section below and even in the description below. Say goodbye to this puchku. And I'll be adding this one. Yeah, so thank you so much for such an amazing response, and do share my website with your friends, with your colleagues, with your juniors, your seniors, everyone, because it has notes of family 1st year to 5th year. A lot of you guys had been buying my notes from me directly via my Gmail, but now oh my god, this looks so damn cute. It goes with the aesthetics of the bottle, I think. So yeah, my website, it has all my notes from family 1st to 5th year. Those are the notes literally from which I myself have studied. They are handwritten notes. They are literally very important. I won't lie, but literally little bit of my heart broke when I put them out for everyone for free. I was like, I have worked very hard for it, but whatever. So it has family 1st to 5th year notes. It has links to my latest YouTube videos and also link to Lilac Loops. That is my very new venture of crocheting. So really hope that you guys liked it. And I think there was one person named as Ameera Amla. She has been following me. We have been chatting since so long. So thank you so much for always commenting such amazing comments. Right, so there was one person named Human. Your comment really made my day. So thank you so much for commenting down below. It really makes my day. And thank you so much for going through my website. Thank you so much for loving my website so much. And thank you so much, guys, for giving so much love to my notes all through the years. Seriously, when I had first started giving my notes to you guys, sharing my notes with you all, I never knew that it would receive so much love, and that someday I would have my own website to put my notes on. So it is literally just because of all of you guys and because of you all that I have put my notes online. And there are very less good notes of family. I am very well aware of that, trust me. All my notes, they have been made from YouTube videos, from books, from some other people's notes sometimes, from our lectures, etc. And some of them are just me, like whatever chapter we have, for example, pharmacotherapeutics in the diagnosis, so entire chart, how you can diagnose the person, etc. So some of them are just me. So thank you so much. This website, the idea of this website had been in my mind since a very long time ago, very long time ago. That time my notes weren't even selling that much as much it sold later on, but it was a very old dream of mine, and especially since the last 2 years I have been on it, designing and finding the right person to do the back end of it, and deciding the correct font, deciding the correct color, deciding what to write, deciding which tab will open which tab, etc. So yeah, thank you so much, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and go through my website and share it as much as you can. Bye bye. When I was shooting the video, there was a call coming in, and I just got unloaded on with some more work from the SMO that I'm doing the work for, that work from home. I just got even more work from them. So that has been my week. A lot of work, me being deep down until my neck till work.